Practical 13. Hello class. Today we are working on Practical 13, which is absolutely critical for understanding computer science, sorting algorithms. The aim is to implement and understand 4 major sorting algorithms: bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, and merge sort. We will categorize them into 2 groups based on efficiency: the slower O, N2, sorts, and the faster O, NLOGN, sorts. 1. O, N2, comparison sorts, the basic methods. These 3 algorithms have a worst case time complexity of O, N2, meaning that as the list size, N, doubles, the time taken increases by 4 times. They are simple to understand but slow for large datasets. A bubble sort concept. Bubble sort is the simplest. It repeatedly steps through the list, compares adjacent elements, and swaps them if they are in the wrong order. The largest element bubbles up to its correct position at the end of the list with each full pass. Code line role in the algorithm explanation for I in range, N, outer loop, passes, controls how many full passes are needed. After each pass I, the last I elements are correctly sorted. For J in range, 0, NI1, inner loop, comparisons, compares adjacent pairs. The I1 ensures we don't check the elements already sorted at the end. If R, J, greater than R, J join 1, the swap if the current element is greater than the next one, they are swapped using Python's convenient tuple assignment. Export to sheets. B. Selection sort trophy concept. Selection sort finds the smallest element in the unsorted portion of the list and swaps it into the correct position at the beginning of the unsorted section. It selects the minimum element every time. Code line role in the algorithm explanation: min_index equals I assumption we assume the current position I holds the minimum element. For J in range, I join 1, N, finding the minimum, this loop scans the rest of the array, I join 1 to end, to find the true smallest element. If R, J, less than R, min_index, update minimum if a smaller element is found, min_index is updated to its position. R, I, R, min_index, equals. Final swap after the inner loop finishes, the smallest element is swapped into the correct position I. Export to sheet. C. Insertion sort. Gulam ka patta concept. Insertion sort works like sorting a hand of playing cards. It divides the list into a sorted section on the left and an unsorted section on the right. It takes the next element from the unsorted side, key, and inserts it into its correct position in the sorted section by shifting larger elements one position to the right. Code line role in the algorithm explanation for I in range, 1, N, outer loop, keys. I marks the first element of the unsorted section, R key. We start at index 1, key equals R, I, J equals I1. Setup key is the element to insert, J points to the last element of the sorted section. While J greater than equals 0 and R, J, greater than key, shifting as long as we haven't reached the start of the list, and the current element, R, J, is greater than the key, we shift it one step right, R, J join 1, equals R, J join 1. Equals key insertion. Once the loop breaks, we found the correct spot, and the key is inserted. Export to sheets. 2. O, NLOGN, sort, divide and conquer. This category is significantly faster and is used for large-scale data sorting. D. Merge sort concept. Merge sort is a divide and conquer algorithm. It recursively breaks the list into smaller halves until each sublist has only one element, which is trivially sorted. Then, it systematically merges these sorted sublists back together to form a final sorted list. Function code section. Role in the algorithm: merge_sort, R, if len, R, less than equals 1, return R. Base case, divide. The recursion stops when the sublist has 0 or 1 element. Left_half equals merge_sort, R, mid. Recursion, calls itself to sort the left half. Right_half equals merge_sort, R, mid. Recursion, calls itself to sort the right half. Merge, left, right, while I less than len, left, and J less than len, right. Merge, conquer, the core merging logic. It compares the smallest remaining element from the left list, left, I, and the right list, right, J, and appends the smaller one to the final sorted_list. Sorted_list, extend, cleanup. Export to sheet. Summary of efficiency algorithm: worst case complexity logic, best use case bubble O, N2, swapping adjacent pairs. Simple educational examples. Selection O, N2, finds minimum and swaps to the correct place. Small lists where swaps are costly. Insertion O, N2, builds a sorted list one item at a time. Lists that are nearly sorted. Merge O, NLOGN, recursive divide and conquer. General purpose, highly efficient large data sorting. Export to sheets. This practical gives you a comprehensive view of how algorithms differ in their logic and how that logic drastically affects their performance. Thank you.